Hey! Got questions regarding your virtual showcase tour? No problem. Here are some of Envision360's frequently asked questions. Do I need to be home for my session? No. We can come to your home even if you are unavailable. Simply provide instructions on how to enter your home or have someone else present to let us in. We do ask that you have everything ready for staging, hiding any items you don't want to appear in your showcase. Please also turn on light fixtures and send your pets to stay with a friend during your imaging session. How long does a session take? Typically, our sessions take about 30 minutes for every 1,500 square feet. These estimates include our prep time before recording your space. Filming time may vary depending on the complexity of the floor plan. After recording, how long will it take for me to receive my content? Generally, your content will be available for upload within 1 to 5 business days. You will be sent an email with links to your showcase and a link containing still photography along with any extras. How do I access my content? Once your space has been imaged and is ready to show the public, you will receive both a URL link and an embeddable HTML code you can add to almost any website, browser or social media outlet. If you need assistance, let us know. We are more than happy to help you maximize your content exposure. How should I prepare my space for imaging? Be sure to have everything ready to go for the arrival of your 3D imaging specialist. It never hurts to hide unsightly items and put out a little extra decor for your imaging. Check out our Preparing Your Space page for more information. How do payment and pricing work? Upon scheduling an appointment, we will ask various questions to provide you with a quote for your services. Our pricing is based on all information provided, including additional rooms and add-on options. Check out our whiteboard pricing video for more information. Once we arrive at your location, we will assess all information provided. Payment will be sought prior to the release of the codes. We accept cash, PayPal, BACS transfer. Should you choose to add additional options after initial imaging, such as schematic floor plans and additional still shots, we will invoice you for those separately. How far will Envision360 travel for imaging sessions? We travel up to 70 miles from the CA286QQ postcode. The first 35 miles are included in our pricing. Additional miles are 20 pence each thereafter. Locations outside the first 35-mile service area may have special scheduling requirements. Any more queries? Please feel free to contact us through the website www.envision360.co.uk, phone 07737210142, email info@envision360.co.uk or envision360uk@gmail.com.